Surprised to learn that the state government, the state government for the last 3 years, they have not released this fund to the State Implementation Society or to the SPD office. Till today, they have not released this fund for the last 3 years. And if we calculate this fund for the last 3 years, it comes to around 104 crores approximate, 104 crores. Okay. So we have also suggest the state government through the state project director. On 16 November, we have met the state project director and we have suggest from our side that at present the fund is still lying in the account of the state government amounting 104 crores. So why the state government not releasing that amount so that the state project director office will be in a position to release all our 5 months salary in one go? Because they have received a first installment amounting 59 crores, okay, as informed by the Honorable Education Minister and also by the State Project Director on 10th November 2021. They informed that they have received 59 crores, okay. So if we add this 59 crores and that 104 crores, it will be sufficient to pay our salary in one go for 5 months. So the question we want to raise from the association side is, why the government is not releasing that 104 crores? What is there behind that the government is not releasing this amount for the last 3 years? This is the high time for the government. If they really want to solve our problems, this is the high time for the government to release that 104 crores, which is pending for the last 3 years. So in the last GEC, we have also taken a resolution that we strongly demand from the state government to release that 104 crores to the State Project Director Office so that the State Project Director Office will be in a position to clear all our 5 months salary in one go. Number two, after the extension of the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, this committee was chaired by the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, okay? On 4 August 2021, they have given an approval for extension of this Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan scheme for another 5 years, which will be effective from 1st April 2021 till 31st March 2026. So, as per the approval for extension of this norm, certain programmatic and financial norms related to payment of SSA teachers' salary have been changed. Okay. So in this new approval, the financial support for payment of SSA teachers will not be as per sanction post. Okay, will not be as per sanction post, but it will be just a lump sum grant. Just a lump sum grant, and that amount which they have fixed in 2018, that 15,000 for LP, 20,000 for UP, that's also will not be there. Okay. From 1st April 2021 onwards, it will be just a lump sum grant, the financial support for payment of SSA teachers' salary. And it is clearly mentioned in the revised programmatic and financial norm. It is clearly mentioned the additional amount are to be borne by the respective states government. So the question here arises, why did Honorable Chief Minister keep on saying that it is not the duty of the state government to pay this salary? They have to wait for the central government, where the norm clearly mentioned that it will be just a lump sum grant. The additional amount are to be borne by the state government. Okay. Now, number three, as claimed by the Honorable Chief Minister that around 70%, okay, 70% states across the country have not paid the salary of the SSA teachers. So we from the association side, we tried to collect the information, especially from northeastern states, and we came to learn that all the northeastern states except Meghalaya have paid the salary of the SSA teachers till October. They have not received the first installment from the government of India, but they pay the salary of the SSA teachers by taking the fund from the state budget. So the question arises here, why in Meghalaya the state government are not doing the same? Okay, are not doing the same. If there is cite example from other state that they are not getting salary. We from the association, we request the state government to kindly follow the positive examples also which other states follow. Okay, because in other state they have already paid the salary of SSA teachers till October, especially in northeastern states. So the claim of the Chief Minister that most of the state in the country have not received the salary, this is also a wrong statement made by the Honorable Chief Minister.